Go ahead and open eTry09 from your data files. Today we're going to work a little bit on inserting and deleting rows and columns. So what I want you to do is go ahead and select column B just by selecting everything. Right click and we're going to delete the entire row. Alright, so whenever you delete a row, it takes the row out and also moves all the other rows back to the side. So now what I want you to do is in between January and March, we're going to insert a row. So we want it to go right after January. So right click on C and say insert. Now click on January, and here's a little trick that you may not know yet. Click on the fill handle and drag to the right and automatically puts in the next month. It'll do that with numbers, with dates, with days of the week. So if you want to practice over on the side and do it, you can. So Saturday, and then click and fill down. It'll actually fill down all the days of the week for you, or even with numbers. Now it didn't do it with 2, but you can come over here and click autofill options and say fill series, and it'll change it for you. So instead of having to enter in a bunch of numbers in Excel, you can just enter them with your fill handle. So that's just a little bonus information for you. So we're going to go back in the February column, and then in C4 type 8282 9087 10443 9731 8367. Now you may notice that you did not actually put in the number formatting, but it automatically went in. So what happens when you insert a row or column is that the row or column before it, it'll copy that formatting. So no matter what. Alright, so we want to bring these over. So these same formulas that sum up and calculate the average of everything. So you can do it two ways. You can either create the new formula or just use your fill handle and fill those formulas over to the side and double check that they did them correctly, and they are. Now go ahead and select row 8. Right click on it and say insert. So it's going to go right between Weisbard and Lewis. Alright, so in this cell we're going to put in Vegas. And then we're going to put in 8042 6639 8088. And now we're going to calculate the total, and mine already did it. So go ahead and click save if you have not yet. Actually, go to File, Save As, and don't forget to put your name on it and save it just to your Excel file. So underscore your first name, underscore your last name. And then click save. Now what I want you to do is select A8 all the way through E9. So these last two sections right here. And up here in our clipboard area, I want you to go ahead and click cut. So it still looks like it's there. I want you to go to G4 and then click paste. Alright, go ahead and save this. So now go ahead and select A7 to E7. So just those few. Now, one thing that some of you have accidentally discovered is that you can move selections of text. So if you move just to where that black outline is, you can click and drag full sections. So what I want you to do is I want you to drag this over and put it right underneath that. And notice when you dragged everything, these formulas all stayed the same. So now what I want you to do is come over here and click on row 9, and I want you to delete row 9. And now we're going to go from G5 to K5, so just that Lewis row, and the clear contents button, which is right up here. So you can clear all, clear formats, clear contents, clear comments, clear hyperlinks. But we're going to clear contents. All right, go ahead and click save. Close and upload this document to Moodle, and you are ready to do projects 17 and 18.